Hello everyone, hope you are doing extremely well. In this video I am going to solve problem of the day from Geeks for Geeks, and the problem name is remove the balls. Let's get started. It is saying imagine an imaginary array of length n containing balls. Given two arrays color and radius of length n each, where color I represents the color of ith ball while radius I represents the radius of ith ball. And if two consecutive balls have the same color and size, both are removed from the array. Geeks want to know the length of the final imaginary array. And here it is given example. In example, they have shown that color array is 225 and radius array is 335. Here we can clearly see that these two balls are identical as both have same color and same radius. Both of them need to be removed and we will left with only one ball which is having color as 5 and radius as 4. So output here is 1. Whenever you find this type of questions which is talking about consecutive balls or consecutive things in the case of array and consecutive letters in case of strings, always think of stack at first. These type of questions are meant to be solved by stack, and here also we are going to solve it using stacks. And let us see the second example. In this, these two balls are identical, both need to be removed, and when we'll remove both of them, then these two will become consecutive and they both are identical 2, so they both will be removed 2 and we will left with 0 balls, we'll left with no balls. Here we have two parameters, color and radius, so I'm going to create a stack of pair. And in pair, our first file will contain color and the second part will contain radius. So stack pair int and st. This is the syntax to create a stack, in which we use stack keyword, and for creating pair we use pair keyword, and in angular brackets we write the data types of the elements of pair, and inside the angular brackets of stack we write the data type of the stack, which is pair here. And in the next step I am going to find out the length of any one of the array, that is color or radius. Let's say we will find out the size of the color, as it does not matter as the size of both of the two is same. Color dot size. The size function is used to find the size of vectors, and length function is used to find the size of strings. And here I am putting a for loop for traversing through the vector color and radius, and it will run till len I plus plus. And after entering in this for loop, I will straight away check if whatever placed at my top of the stack, that is st dot top, is it equal to the current element, current color and current radius on which I am currently present. I will check that. If it is equals to color I, that is my current color, and st dot top, st dot top is a element which is a pair, and for extracting the second part, or the second part, will write dot second from it. Dot second is equal to radius I, current radius of the current ball, radius of the current ball. If it happens to be same, then they are same. I am currently present on this. Suppose I am currently present on the second ball, and this I have already inserted in my stack. So I will remove the one which I have already inserted in my stack, and I will not insert this. In this way, both of them will not be counted. So I will do here st dot pop to remove the element that is present at the top of the stack. And here we need to take care of that this st.top function will cause an error if the stack is empty. Initially our stack is empty, and as we enter the for loop for the first time our stack is empty, and this function will throw us an error. So we'll put a check here. If stack is not empty, st dot empty, this is the function which returns true and false. If it is empty then returns true, and if the stack is empty then returns true, and it is not empty then it returns false. So I have put here not not empty means if it is empty, it is not empty, then it will return false, and not operator will make it true. So this if condition will get executed if it is the stack is not empty. If it is not the case that neither it is empty or it is empty, or uh, one of these condition is false, they are not identical, then I'm going to insert that particular ball into my stack. For inserting I will use push function of stack, and I will push a pair here. For pushing a pair I need to create a pair first, and for creating pair I need to use curly braces. And in curly braces whatever we write in the first part will be the first part of our pair, and it will be comma separated, and second part will be after comma. Here I have inserted a comma. In the first part I am inserting a color of a ball, and in the second part I am inserting radius of particular ball, that is radius I have inserted here. And at the last I will return the size of my stack. I will return st dot size. This size function gives the size of the stack. So after this for loop get completed, my all the consecutive balls will be removed which are identical, and I will left with only no con consecutive balls that are non-identical, and I will return the size that will be the count of such balls. So let's try to run it. Yes, it is showing correct answer. Submitting it to see if it works. Yes, all the test cases are passed. It is working absolutely fine. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.